Open the Pixellab app and import the sketch image. You can download the sketch via the link in the description box below. Don't forget to lock the sketch and reduce the opacity. Use the grid tool to create horizontal grids of the sketch. Repeat the same process to create the vertical grids. Add a square shape and ensure it snaps to the grid at all sides. Change the color to black and increase the radius to make a circle. To continue with others, reduce the opacity to view others. Create another circle with white color using the same process. Increase the opacity of the black circle and merge the two shapes. Reduce the opacity of the merged shape to continue. Use white shapes to cover the areas that are not needed. At this point, you can increase the opacity of the merged shape. Once you are satisfied, you can then merge all the shapes and remove the white color. Add shapes to fill up the places that forms the logo. Change the color to black. Repeat this process to build the logo. You can merge these shapes, leaving the other two shapes for now. Add a white shape to slice those two shapes at an angle. Once you've got the right angle, you can duplicate the shape to use again, before you then merge the shapes and erase the white color. You can now go ahead to merge all the shapes. Continue filling up the rest with black shapes. Use the duplicated shape to slice the added shape at the same angle as previously done. Once you've got the right angle, you can merge the black shapes recently added with the white shape and erase the white color. At this point, you can merge the whole shapes on the Canva to finish with the logo icon. You can now hide the sketch on the Canva and scale down the logo icon. Use the grid lines to give the logo a good proportion and balance. Add a text to include the brand name. Edit the default text to the brand name on your screen. Position the text leaving a little gap between the icon and the text. Change the font to this font. I will leave a link to the font file in the description box below. For now, you can apply a black color on the brand name. Add another text to complete the brand name. Position the text beneath the first text and increase the letter spacing of the text to fit properly. Change the font to Arial typeface from the font list. Once you're satisfied with the position, you can proceed to give the icon and brand name a color. I'll leave the color code in the description box below. To position the logo to the center of the Canva, select the icon and the brand name together and relatively position them to the center. To finish with the logo design process, merge both the icon and the text together. At this point, you can delete the sketch from the project layer. You can now save the finished logo design as image, and don't forget to save with Ultra. Also, don't forget to save your project for future updates. So guys, we have come to the end of our logo design tutorial for today. Please subscribe to this channel page, like, comments if you find this helpful to you. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and families. Thanks for watching.